Today I'm going to talk about data types in Python. Many of us know that there are four data types, namely integers, float, boolean, and string. Which are these? Let's learn those with examples. For integers, these are those numbers which does not contain any point in it. So -5, 5, 999, 1000, all these numbers are integers. Float numbers are those numbers which does contain points like 5.7, 0.333, 97.5, these kind of things. Boolean are kind of new thing for you. It's like true and false. And there's a two Boolean. There are no other Boolean examples for it. Okay, true or false. It's basically zeros and ones. It's like switch. When you turn on a light, it's 1. When you turn off a light, it's like 0. And strings are those elements or those things which are encircled by single quote or double quote. For example, ROHIT inside a quotation is a string, or single quotation is also a string. So these are the basic data types. Now let's talk about compound data types. Yes, there are compound data types in Python, and those are four types: list, tuples, dictionary, and set. Lists are encircled with third brackets, and each elements are comma separated. Tuples are like lists, but they are created with first bracket, and elements are comma separated. Dictionaries are encircled with second bracket, and sets are also second bracket. So if I ask that these are same, right? So how do you understand which is dictionary and which is set? For that, we'll have to give some examples. Let's talk about list first. Equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is a list, right? And B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. This is tuple. Now dictionary has to come with key value pair. First element will be key, and this is its spell. Let's say Rohit. 2 is key, and its value may be ABCD. String 3 is key, and its value, let's say, IEM Labs, right? Now, how do you count sets? This is also second brackets. Each elements are comma separated, like 1, 2, 3, 4. But it comes with a particular property, which is no element will repeat inside set, just like in mathematics. So if I print D, okay, now you see, when I print D set, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another 4 is gotten removed. So that is a property of sets, that each elements, if other elements repeat, it will automatically remove those elements, just like sets. And if I talk about indexing, if you want to get the first element of A, how do you do it? You say print A of 0, right? That is clearly straightforward. If you want to get the first element of tuple B, you will say B of 0. But in case of dictionary, you have to pass the key. Let's say I want to get the output IEM Labs. How do I do it? C of string 3, because string 3 was the key for it. So this is the key, and IEM Labs is the value. So we can use these keys as indexing. And you might wonder, can we do indexing on sets? We cannot, because sets are unordered structure. Okay, so you never know if you put 100 here, so let's say 100 here, 10 somewhere else, and 30. You will be astonished to see that this is not ordered, right? Let's say 1 to 100, but we are seeing 1, 2, 3, and 100. So we don't really know why it works, but basically you cannot do indexing on sets. All right.